Okay, so I wanted to do a little video here and show you how to replace a trunk drop-off in a 70, 71, 72 Monte Carlo. I would assume on a Chevelle, any GM midsize car, this is going to all be the same protocol. And what we ran into was a big mess. So for starters, the trunk drop-off does not attach to the outer wheelhouse, which is now, as you can see, gone. It attaches to the inner wheelhouse by these spot welds here. Okay. It literally goes way up in here, and I'm going to put this thing on here in a second and show you the way it goes. It also goes down into here under the tail panel and sticks out as the lip here, and I'll show you on the other side. You can see this piece is actually the trunk drop off, not the trunk floorboard extension. So of course we got some cleaning up to do here and all that, but I just wanted to show you what is involved in a trunk drop off. You almost, if you had a piece of inner wheelhouse, I don't know how much these are. These are over $100, but I think these are even more. But if you had a piece of this, you could just cut all this out with a grinder and then just splice a wheelhouse, the inner piece of wheelhouse in. It would save some time on trying to clean up, you know, metal that's corroded and whatnot. But if I do this again, maybe on the playboard to get inner wheelhouse too, just for a patch panel, because a lot of times on some cars inner wheelhouses will be rotted here and back here anyway, and they're bad about rotting in between the trunk floor where all the seam sealer is. It holds, you know, 50 years goes by and it holds a lot of corrosion. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna slide this. Well, here we go. It's kind of a challenge to get this thing up in here. So you can see where I've done had it up in there. So as you can see, that goes up in there like that. Of course, this mates up with this. And then the fun part, that goes like that. And basically you just have to tap it into place. Hammer, block of wood, something like that. And you'll see where that used to go. So watch this. That's kind of in place. Okay, so I did a pretty good job fitting it yesterday, and I took a hammer and a screwdriver and kind of bent that down a little bit so it slid in a little easier. Now you can see where it goes, and if you want to, you know, wonder if you got it in the right spot, well, I bent this up out of the way, and now that'll need to be bent back down as a quarter panel goes in here, and then you'll need to clamp and all, but you can see it's all bottomed out against the trunk floor turn down lip. So that's what you want to see. Turn the light on there so you can see a little better. There we go. Okay, so you got that. Of course I need to get rid of the sticker. I'm gonna do that, but anyway, I just wanted to do a video and kind of show you it's an auto metal direct piece. See if that, you can see the part number there, but just look it up on Auto Metal Direct's website and it's there. Jegs and Summit and places like that sell them too, probably the best price. So anyway, I hope this helps to do your trunk drop off. I'm gonna say 68 to 72 GM A body, but for sure 70, 71, 72 Monte Carlo. it is not as easy as some of the other trunk drop-offs I've done because of how it's connected, what it's between, what it's behind, and all that stuff. So anyway, hope this helps. Restoration inquiries in the video description. We'll see y'all next time.